Good morning, everyone. So I thought today I would do another what I eat in a day since you guys have been loving my last couple ones. I'm gonna leave my playlist down below if you want to see more. But yeah, we're gonna do a what I eat in a day. I've been drinking my coffee, and as you guys have seen in my stories on Instagram and in like my last what I eat in a days, I've been obsessed with the Sigmatic adaptogen coffee. It is actual coffee, they just add adaptogens to it, which if you don't know, adaptogens basically help you adapt to life's stress. It tastes so delicious. It doesn't taste like mushrooms at all. A big thanks to Sigmatic for sponsoring this video. I'm so glad I've got to work with them this year. You guys know I have used their brands for years and years now, and they've truly become some of my favorites. So yeah, this coffee is my current favorite one. It's the adaptogen one. I simply pour it into my pour over, add some hot water, and it makes a very delicious cup of coffee that doesn't taste like mushroom. You can also put it into like your drip machine, your French press, hot water of it. It tastes so good, and I love the benefits. I feel like I'm less jittery, I'm more balanced. It tastes so good, and it does stuff for you. I'm all about, like, if I can get benefits from my coffee, why not? Also, I wanted to mention they are having a huge Black Friday sale that starts today and runs to December 4th. I literally placed my order about 5 minutes ago using my own code, so everything is 20 to 50% off. Plus, with my code keepupwithliv, you get an extra 15% off. So I stocked up on things because I am going to be doing a giveaway, and I wanted some stuff for myself, like more adaptogen coffee. So I'm gonna leave that link down below. But yeah, that is just, it's so good. Time to stock up, give it as a gift, get it for yourself. And if you're new to my channel, I eat mainly paleo. I would say like 90%. I eat intuitively, which basically means I eat whatever when I want it, whatever I'm craving, whatever my body needs that day. Sometimes it's more carbs, sometimes it's less, sometimes, you know, it's whatever it is. It's healthy, simple, and most importantly, delicious, because there's nothing I hate more than not good, delicious food. Before I leave for the grocery store, I'm just taking one of these out to defrost. These are my favorite, like, toast buns that are like really good for you and low carb. They're grain free and only 5 grams of net carb per bun. So I'm gonna take one out so that it can defrost by the time I get back from groceries to have breakfast. So I'm back from getting a couple groceries, and I thought I would have like a very classic breakfast of like avocado toast, a couple eggs, and some paleo bacon. So this is the one that I like to buy for the bacon. It's no sugar added, nitrate free, and antibiotic free, which is really important. So just look for that on the label, and then you're good to go. So I've just been filming some holiday cookies, and the perks about filming cookies is that I get to eat one. So because I'm gonna eat one, I'm gonna show you guys, because this is a what I eat in a day. Also, if you're curious about my setup, I use like a marble board, and then like the props, and then I have my tripod, and that's like how I shoot things. But these are thumbprint cookies. They're coming soon. They're so delicious. Yeah, so I'm gonna have one of these. So good. So I've been seeing cauliflower gnocchi all over my feed lately on Instagram, so I thought I would make another batch of my homemade recipe, which if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. It's gluten-free, grain-free, delicious, easy to make, and definitely a copycat for the Trader Joe's, because I've had the Trader Joe's one, and I've had, of course, mine, and they basically taste exactly the same, but I don't have a Trader Joe's here in Canada. So we're gonna make our own. It's super simple. So all you need is, of course, some cauliflower. I'm using frozen because it's kind of like pre-cooked / steamed a bit, so it's softer. But if you don't want to use frozen, use fresh. Just steam it till fork tender. You'll need some cassava flour and some potato starch and some salt. Super easy. So I took some and I'm gonna save these for later tonight. I'm just gonna store them in the fridge for now, and then I threw the rest in the freezer for another time. So now that I'm done with filming, I definitely need some fuel, and I feel like I haven't gotten enough greens today / any yet, so I'm gonna make a green smoothie. And I've been using the Sigmatic Superfood protein for probably like quite a few months now. I would say like 6 months. I love it because everything is already in there for you. So it's got protein, but it also has all your superfoods. So it has Cordyceps, lion's mane, reishi, chaga, turkey tail. So you don't have to add all your superfoods in individually. It's kind of like a one-stop shop, which that's why I like it. You kill all the birds with one stone. You just put a scoop in and it has everything you need in it. So let's go ahead and make the smoothie. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my green smoothie and yeah, probably get back to work a bit. So it's about 5 o'clock now. I'm going to make dinner. I'm really upset that it's so dark out now, so early. It's like 5 o'clock and it's like pitch black. But I'm gonna make that cauliflower gnocchi that I prepped earlier, along with a lamb burger and some sauteed spinach. I'm really excited for this. Yeah, it's gonna be a very hearty, nice, delicious, cozy meal. And this is the lamb burger I got at Whole Foods. The ingredients are lamb, red onion, parsley, garlic, and paprika. So this is it all finished. I cut up the burger into smaller pieces. I have the gnocchi and some spinach, and I'm so excited to dig in. It's gonna be such a good hearty meal. So I am quite full from dinner. That was quite a lot, like a protein, and like the cauliflower gnocchi are very like filling because they have cauliflower and like the cassava in them. So they're nice and filling, good hearty meal. But I want like a little something like sweet drink, and I've been making hot chocolate pretty much every day since it's gotten cooler here. And this one has reishi in it, which is good for really like chilling out and winding down. So it's perfect at night. And like I said, I've been having hot chocolate almost every single day. And I'm even gonna use my little festive mug. It's from Pottery Barn because I know I'm gonna get questions. And this is the hot chocolate I use. It's the Sigmatic Reishi one. And it's literally, like they say, a big warm hug from grandma. I'm just going to enjoy my hot chocolate. I'm really excited. You could also make this into a mocha if you wanted. I've added like espresso if I had it in the afternoon. Sometimes I'll add an espresso shot. It's very delicious. So I love their site because it's super easy to use. You can shop all and then you can filter by whatever you want and whatever your goals are. So you can choose ones with caffeine, without caffeine, immune, chill, gut health, and it's kind of gonna select the perfect products for you. So it's really, really easy to use. So thanks again to Sigmatic for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go check out the sale because you definitely want to stock up while all the great stuff is on sale. I'm going to leave what I use and my top favorites down in the description box so you can load up. They also make really great gifts. I plan on getting some for gifts. So if you're looking for gifts, also have really great gifts. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.